5:19, I said. She reaches for her purse but tucks her chin. I said, this one is on me. My daughter, she is 3. I know how hard the grind is every day. Hey. She smiles and nods her head and gives her kid a slice of bread. Just another day at the Circle K. A businessman walks in. His eyes are red and dim. His tie is dangling down, his jacket's gone. The coffee pot is low. I make some more, he says I'm slow. You people all the same, you lazy sloths. I grit my teeth and breathe. I haven't had a break in weeks. He makes more in an hour than I've made all day. Hey. He grabs a dollar bill and pays with 30 cents from the penny tray. Just another day at the Circle K. Arthur's right on time. It's 1:59. Bottom shelf tequila and Pall Malls. He set the